welcome to my channel. So today we are doing this fun summer festival look. If y'all want to see that, then keep on watching. Alrighty, to get this tutorial started, I am taking my NYX Angel Veil Primer. And for foundation, I am taking my Mega Cushion Foundation from Wet n Wild in the shade Light Ivory. And as you guys know, I have just been loving this foundation. It goes on easy. The application is amazing. Great color, good coverage. I really love it. Alrighty, and for concealer, I am taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And just taking a beauty sponge and blending that in. And to set the foundation, I am just taking the Peach Perfect setting powder. And of course, taking a powder puff, baking the under eye and the nose as well. Taking a fluffy brush, we are just setting the rest of the face. So tell me in the comments down below, guys, who are some of your favorite bands? And of course, while that sets, we are simply going to do our brows. And of course, just taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. And once again, with brows, you always want to go lightly over them. And just taking a fluffy brush and dusting off any excess powder. Taking my Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, we are going to contour. And once again, just going in with a beauty blender and blending that out. And just taking the Hoola bronzer, the powder one, just taking that on a bronzing brush and just lightly going over that as well, just to kind of set it and give it that little extra pow. And for blush, I am taking the Becca Mineral Blush in the shade Songbird and just putting that there. Alrighty, and for highlighter, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Blossom Kiss. So I've primed my eyes off camera with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. And I am taking my Morphe 35B Color Burst Palette, taking an angled brush, simply taking the dark navy shade. What we're going to do is just lightly press that, as you can see here. And that just kind of creates like a clean line of where we want the eyeshadow to go. And I am just taking a fan brush here and spraying that going back with the same palette and going in with the same navy shade. And we are simply just going to put that all over the lid. Don't worry about lines and whatnot. Now we are going to blend that out. And as you can see, that is very bold, but once again, we are not done blending. Taking a fluffy brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I am going in with the shade Burnt Orange, and we are going to work that around our harsh lines. Alrighty, as you can see, it does take a little bit of time, but once we have really blended things out, I am going in with the NYX Glitter Primer, taking a small amount of that and just dabbing that really all over the lid. And just taking a fluffy brush here and my NYX Face and Body Glitter in the shade Crystal, which is like a holographic shade, which I love. So, once again, just wetting our brush. Now, glitter can be tricky to deal with. Just shake a little bit of it in the lid. Go in here. And then just gently press into it. And we have that hollow sparkle there on the lid. And just taking my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. And we have a nice wing on that. Going in now, back with the same Morphe palette. Just taking the lighter blue sparkly shade here on a little flat brush. And going underneath. And I shall do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so off camera, I did the other eye. I did the wing. I also put the Tarte Fake Awake in my waterline. I curled my lashes as well. So I am going to be taking the CoverGirl Peacock Flare. Alrighty, so I did 3 coats of mascara on top and then just 1 on the bottom. So I am taking, once again, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Blossom Glow, and we are just highlighting the brows with that and the inner tear duct. Alrighty, and for lips, I am just taking the Nivea Lip Butter in Raspberry Rose Kiss and just taking a lip brush. We don't want to put too much on, but just enough to kind of give us a base. And I'm taking the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade FOMO. And this is a lovely kind of darkish mauve color. And as you can see, that is a lovely natural color. Taking my Too Faced Peach Blur Blurring Powder and a fluffy brush. And I am taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Setting Spray. And we are good. And that is it, guys. I hope you like this fun summer festival look. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out the awesome social media shout out down below. My social media links are there as well. Love you guys. Bye!